Hi, my name is James. I'm a product manager at Mendeley. I want to show you how to add a citation in Word using Mendeley. For those who have tried to insert a citation in Word, you usually have to do this manually. So for example, I'll cite this, and then to do that, I go Insert Citation, I add a new source. Okay, this loads up, and then I have to enter all this information manually. But I don't have to do that actually. Um, What I have here is Mendeley Library, which is, here's an example. To get this, you have to sign up to Mendeley, and there are other videos to get you to populate this with your references. So I'm just going to show you just the export of this reference into Word. So you just highlight the references that you want to, let's say I just want these 5 references, and I go to Export for MS Word. And you see that it's created a file called MXL, XML export 5, right? So I go back to Word and I go to References and Manage Resources. By the way, this feature is only available for Word 2010 and up for Windows. It's not available for Mac, unfortunately. Um, and I don't know why Windows have chosen to do not Windows, Microsoft Word has chosen to do that, but that's the only thing that's available is in Windows Word. So let's go to downloads where the source was. As you can see, it was XML export 5. I've been testing this quite a number of times, and there it is. Here's my 5 references. So let me just shoot them all across, copy, and there it is. So, okay, you notice that only 4 shot across, and that's because there's still some limitations to references. So what I have here is the Star Collaboration journal, and our limitation here is that if you have a journal with a ton of authors, it has an issue of going over. So it's not perfect. We'll figure out that bug. But in the meantime, for most journal articles that have just um, a few authors, we could bring that across. So there it is. I have to copy that over. So now it's stored inside the Word document and it carries with it. I close this and I choose a specific style, citation style. So notice I have loads of styles here. Word actually comes with just 8 styles, but I will show you in another video how to install more styles. So I'll choose Leeds Harvard style, and I will insert the citation. So I'll insert one citation. There it is, and there's my citation. To add another citation, you have to click to it to the left and insert another one. I'll insert Dunlop, and there it is. So it's now embedded inside. Great. So there it is. If I want to change it to a different style, let's go to IEEE. There it is. If I want to change it to another style, yeah, there it is. So how do I add the bibliography? Then after I do that, I will insert my bibliography, and you could do it as works cited or bibliography. And there it is. So you can actually change this to whatever you like. And then you can actually fix this as well. You could actually tune this. If I don't want the period here, you could fine tune that as well. So you notice that it actually puts in all the citations in the bibliography, not necessarily the ones I've cited. So make sure that when you insert the citation, you only include the ones that you're going to cite. And you could choose that via this. Okay, so I will show you in another video of how to insert a footnote. Okay, for the time being, I hope you enjoyed this feature. If you have any comments or questions, just leave in the comments section as well. Peace out.